Galing. Now, to have a very great advantage, corner yan. Pili ka ng corner mo. Laban tayo, 5,000. Dati 1,000 lang kaya ko. Sa ganda yun, hindi ako makakauwi.
Boss Alpi, 5,000 lang kaya ko ah. 5,000 lang pala bibigay.
Choose a corner.
Lower right, lower right.
Lower right. This one? You wanna change your mind?
No.
5,000! Lower right. Huwag mo nang gano'n na yan. Dito yan.
Wala naman akong choice eh.
Dito nga.
Middle left.
You wanna change your mind?
Sige, middle left.
And for my last shot, chosen a different spots for the eggs. Maybe you have one, tama?
Yes.
And maybe I will have one kung ibang spots. But since ito yung napunta natin, this is the pattern that we have formed, both of us together, without winning. I didn't win, you didn't win also. But, all these, papakita ko sa inyo, kada pieces na ito is part of a puzzle. It's a part of a puzzle. Every each piece of this is a part of a puzzle. Kada isa niyan sa part of the puzzle at the back. If you have chosen a different pattern, maybe nanalo ka or nanalo ako. But this is the pattern that we form. And let's find out kung ano yung na-form sa likod ng puzzle. Do you want to find out guys kung ano yung na-form namin ng puzzle?
Sure.
Right na ba? Tingnan natin! Everybody! Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends! The puzzle that we have formed, none other than the birthday boy.
Hey!